this experiment, we'll be exploring into how different types of water affect the growth of plants. Can plants survive with any kind of water, such as salt water? There are two preparations that we need to prepare beforehand. The first one is sugar water. The second one is salt water. For sugar water, we have arrowhead plant, white sugar, and 2 cups of water. For salt water, we have arrowhead plant, salt, and 2 cups of water. For sugar water, add 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 cups of water and mix it together. For salt water, add 2 cups of water and then add 2 teaspoons of salt and mix it together. After preparing these two, we're going to prepare regular water. So now we have a plant with sugar water, a plant with salt water, and a plant with regular water. We will wait 5 days for the results. Another mention for this experiment is we need to change the water daily. This is to prevent mosquitoes from inhabiting the water and to provide the plant with new oxygen. This is the 5-day result. Now we proceed to theory. A. Salt water. Salt water negatively affects them by dehydrating them. This is because the salt does not allow for osmosis through the plant tissues. The salt solution is so dense that it draws water out of the plant. Salt water can also kill the plants by salt poisoning, as it interferes with the chemical process of plants. B. Sugar water. Plants produce sugar through photosynthesis, but adding more sugar to a perfectly functioning plant can actually harm them as same as salt. However, adding sugar to cut flowers or a nearly dead plant helps them to absorb water better and speeding up the photosynthesis process. C. Regular water. Regular water is probably the most affordable and the easiest water to access. Regular water, known as tap water, is safe for most of the plants. Although chlorinated water is fine for most of the plants, it is best to filter the water beforehand. Dirty tap water is dangerous for the plants as it loads with many chemicals and minerals that do harm to the plants. Fun fact, you can get rid of weeds by adding salt to them. Other than that, ocean plants have adapted to the salinity by breaking down salts into chlorine and sodium ions. Watering plants in the growing seasons with sugar water every once 15 days can make the plants grow more vigorously, flourish, and have brighter leaves. So, the conclusion for today is fresh water is an important necessity for plants as do all organisms. Thanks for watching and don't forget to stay hydrated.